Good afternoon, Spartan parents. This is Twyla Hines, principal of Stafford Early Childhood Center, here to guide you through accessing the Stafford ECC Web Page. You go to the district website. We would ask that you scroll down to Stafford Learns. Click there. Then you will see pop-ups that may arise. Just close those out. Click here on Early Childhood Center, and that will take you to our home page. That's where we are located for now. And here it will show you how to register for pre-K or kindergarten, the qualifiers you need for pre-K, and then you can also click here on Visit Our Early Childhood Center to learn more about our academics. We'll click here for Register. And again, it will show you what is needed for pre-K and K. Is your child eligible for pre-K? And we also offer those directions in Spanish. The documents you will need, online registration instructions, because all registration is being done online at this time. How to gain your parent portal account, contact names and numbers, and again, a 1, 2, 3, 4-step process. Hopefully this provides some clarity for you in accessing the ECC homepage, and we look forward to hearing from you. Take care.